Hello, Bladers. This particular investment is often neglected by consumers. You only realize you need one when the accident or unexpected events happen. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Today we are going to talk about insurance. What are the questions that need to be answered about it? Especially about car insurance. When you buy a car, chances are it comes with insurance fees. Most of the time, these are required by dealerships to help cover repairs that need to be done within a certain time frame. Though it might sound overwhelming, it is actually good practice to maintain your car's insurance even after the period mandated by dealerships. Since the more you use your car, the more it is exposed to higher chances of damage. Given this, here are some of the answers to questions you most likely have about car insurance when getting it for the first time. What are the advantages of comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive car insurance will protect you against loss or damage of your car. Moreover, some car insurance companies have added benefits of roadside assistance and emergency towing services when the need arises. Why do you need to get comprehensive car insurance even if you already have compulsory third-party liability? In the event that your car hits other cars or people, the CPTL insurance will take care of the medical costs of the third party involved. However, it will not cover your car and yourself. People usually get comprehensive car insurances in order to get an insurance that protects their car and themselves. Are stolen cars covered by the insurance? Yes, comprehensive car insurance covers car thefts. In fact, they even go to the extent of covering stolen car accessories. Does it include acts of nature? Unfortunately, it does not cover acts of nature. However, if you decide to get an insurance that covers it, you can always avail of it as an optional add-on to your comprehensive insurance. How long does it take to get an insurance quote? Finding auto insurance online takes as little as 5 minutes with the help of the digital space. Make sure to read and do comparisons to different insurance providers. Are there different insurance coverage types? Yes, there are different insurance coverage types, and they are as follows: bodily liability, property damage liability, comprehensive, collision and uninsured and underinsured. Can I change my coverage whenever I want? Yes, but you will be charged a cancellation fee. If you wait until the end of your policy, then you won't be charged. Will my red car make my insurance bills more expensive? No. This is a myth. Driving a red-colored vehicle does not make your insurance premiums more expensive than other colored vehicles. Do you agree with our answers? Or did we miss some of your insurance questions? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.